In this lesson, we will learn about the LED scale. This scale consists of 10 independent LEDs in one case. And also, unlike standard LED, we see 10 strips that can turn on and off. LED scales are widely used in various radio equipment. They're used as indicators of the level of an audio or any other signal. Each LED of the scale is connected through a separate resistor, so for an experiment, we would need 10 resistors so that the LEDs do not burn out. However, in our case, resistors are already built into the module. Power of the scale must be supplied to the anodes of the LEDs, while the cathodes are grounded. As a general rule, the anodes are located on the side of the marking. Let's move on to practice. What we are going to do is, we will try to control the scale using a linear potentiometer. Let's start connecting. First, connect the potentiometer to Arduino. We connect two extreme contacts, one to 5V Arduino and the second one to GND. The central contact is connected to the analog pin A0. Now we connect the LED scale to Arduino. First we connect GND to GND. Then from 2nd to 11th pins of Arduino, we connect to the pins of the LED scale in the following sequence. Everything is ready. Now, open the Arduino program and write the commands. Port for the potentiometer, number of LEDs on the LED scale, array of ports to which LEDs are attached, loop through all array elements and set output mode. Read the signal from the potentiometer. Transform the result into a range from 0 to 10. Loop through the array of LEDs. If the array element index is less than LED level, turn on the port for this element. Turn off all ports that are higher than LED level. Now, let's run the code. And so, what do we see? With the help of a potentiometer, we can control the LED scale. Everything is working. Congratulations, you have learned all the basic principles of the LED scale and have put it into practice.